video, we'll learn about 𝗲𝗲𝗁𝗃. 𝗲𝗲𝗁𝗃 is a Python evaluation framework which allows you to run multiple evals in parallel. To show you exactly when 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗃 can come in handy, we've prepared two different versions of an agent to evaluate. Here you can see that we have variant A of an agent which uses GPT-5 Mini and variant B of a model which uses Claude Sonnet 4.5. Each agent has an analogous setup as a helpful cloud engineering assistant. Other settings such as max iterations, execution time, and tool call access to current date are identical. The first evaluator that we'll run on our agents is LLM as a judge. Here in AI Studio, you can see exactly how we set it up. The most important part is the prompt, and here you can see that we both defined question and response to evaluate, so we have two variables. We also added scoring instructions, judging the cloud engineering expertise of our agent. Back to the code, here you can see the programmatic setup of both evaluators. The second evaluator is a simple response length, and this is a custom Python script that you can tweak and create on your own. Once we let 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗃 to do its job, we can see a table with evaluation metrics. The nice thing about 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗃 is that it allows you to see all of the evals that run in parallel in one table. Now it's easy for you to compare how individual agent variant scores on each metric. To see the details, you can also click on the link, which will take you back to the AI Studio where you can see more details of your evaluations. Next time you're running your evals, give 𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗃 a try.